Figma is the go-to software for product designers and web designers. It has many competitors like Sketch, Adobe XD, Penpot, and so much more. But it leads the competitors by far in the design game. Over 90% of designers in a survey by UX Tools use Figma as a secondary and primary tool. So this is your sign to let Figma in 2023. And this is what I would do if I start over again. I've been using Figma for over a year now for my content and product design work. So this is how I would use Figma again if I had to start again. The path many new designers take is following tutorials on YouTube to the T by seeing how to design this, how to design that, and they just follow it. I don't say that is bad, that's what I did too, but I would say it's not the best method because you're just following a dogmatic approach to design. Design is intuitive, design is problem solving. So if you're just copying tutorials you see online, you don't necessarily know why this is this way or why that is that way. So someone uses a 4-point grid on mobile, you don't understand why that is that way, and you just copy it and that's what you use in your designs. No, it's not done that way. So you have to understand why, the gutters, the margins, and so much more. And to learn that, you have to make some mistakes. You have to learn from tutorials, of course, but specific tutorials that will solve specific problem for you. So instead of watching YouTube tutorials on, oh, how to design a website in 5 minutes or 5 seconds or something like that, probably watch how to design in auto layout, and you read articles and blogs on design principles too, so you stay up to date. So that aside, this is how I will learn Figma if I have to start over again in 2023. My first resource will be going to the Figma YouTube channel. They have so many tutorials over there that I will recommend everyone to check out, from components, variants, auto layouts, overview, and so much more. It's just worth it. Spend your time watching it, understand the principles and the way the tool works generally before you start opening into complex projects.
If you get what I mean.
I'll link the playlist to Figma Tutorials in the description below, so you definitely check it out if you're interested in that. Secondly, I'm assuming you are a web designer or product designer and you want to start creating mobile apps, websites, and the likes using Figma to design them. I would recommend you replicate what you see online. So if you see a website online, you can screenshot it and try to redesign it, or you can go to mobin.com and you take copies and screens of websites and mobile apps and you redesign them in Figma. So you understand how this works, how that works, how to get icons and so much more. Like, there's so much you can learn from just practicing what you see online before you now go into the details and the specifics. You will learn faster that way. And the funny thing is that you're going to make mistakes. It's normal and it's expected. So when you make mistakes, you now go on YouTube and you search how to do this, how to do that, or how to search for grids in Figma, how to create grids in Figma, how to create responsive grids in Figma, how to design for mobile, desktop, and this. Then you start seeing tutorials online that will make you learn way faster again, because having a specific problem will make you look for a specific solution, and that's how you learn and learn fast. Rather than just learning broadly and consuming whatever content you see, be specific about what you want, go for it, and learn and implement before you go for the next one again. So that's how you learn, and that's how you learn fast, using what the resources online and Figma. Within 2 to 3 weeks, you have started seeing patterns and learn how to use Figma way faster if you are consistent with it with daily practice. It's not hard, it's very easy. From here, I recommend you move on to interaction, learning prototyping, components, animations with Figma. From here, is that you buy courses or you use YouTube like you've always done. I recommend using YouTube if you don't have much work on you right now, and if you have a job and you're trying to upscale in your job and stuff like that, okay, I recommend definitely buy it. It's worth the money. I will recommend some courses in the description below if you are looking to check that out. Anyways, there are some YouTube tutorials you can check out that you learn all this too for free. Mizko's tutorial on animation, components, and variants was very helpful for me. I learned a lot from it, so I'll link that below. And other designers I found helpful during the start of my journey, I'll link them all below so you can check them out. So if you're looking to invest money into something, I recommend it's being a community. It doesn't have to be paid though, there are free communities online, but if it's paid, you find more people that are serious in their journey and you get to make more friends that are serious and you get to grow faster, in my opinion though. Now, there are communities you can check out that are free. Go on Twitter, design communities on Twitter, on Instagram, LinkedIn, there are groups there, on Reddit, and the likes, so you find communities there. Also Discord too. I made a post on Instagram last year in July on Discord communities you check out as a designer. Yeah, I'll link that below so you can check that out. And lastly, build experience. The way you can build experience is by working on live projects or side projects. It doesn't have to be something big. It can just be like a case study of a fictional app and things like that. So you have to like learn implement and try something real so you can build up a portfolio and you can start getting clients from there. Because if you just learn it and you have nothing to show for it, nobody will hire you to work with them. So it's very important to build a portfolio so you can show your work. As I'm talking to you, I'm also building my portfolio too, and what I'm saying is what I'm doing, and it's been helping me in my journey. So definitely try this out, and I'm sure you'll not regret it. If you follow this guide consistently, within 3 to 4 months, you should be a Figma Pro by now. Probably I've gotten some clients, maybe, can't promise you, but overall, it takes like a year to get this whole thing figured out, and it's okay if it's taking you time. Just know that you have to be consistent about it and be showing up and keep showing up daily, because that's how it creates luck. And luck is from preparation, opportunity. So you have to be prepared, and you have to be in a place where opportunity can find you. And that's luck. So you keep showing up and doing the work, because that's what makes you a billionaire. And I know my former billionaires. I have a newsletter for creative entrepreneurs. If you're interested in that, check below. It's a free newsletter, and I share it weekly. Just check this one below for everything I have and I have to share. I appreciate you watching to the end. Leave a like, subscribe, and keep learning, keep being amazing. We're going to make it this year. Bye.